Yaya and Isha.
Hi there. So kids, we got this abandoned dog. It was after daddy. It wanna come inside, so we took it for shelter. Hope we find its owner soon. But look at the pretty puppy dog. It wanna come inside. Oh, you want some food? I wish I could give you some dog food. I don't have it right now. We just got it inside right now. Oh, so cute. It wanna come inside, Isa. So cute dog, right? Oh, so I gave some goat meat to it. You wanna open the door? Not right now. Maybe tomorrow, Isa. Oh, so cute, right, Isa? I have nothing to feed it, Isa. I'm so sorry. We wish we could have something at home that dogs like. He already ignored cereals and I don't know what he gonna eat. He already ate mutton. Yeah, he ate meat. Leftover meat I gave it to it. Oh, hope he return back to its owner soon. So kids, this is first time Yaya and Isa is touching dog. Mommy never touched it before and mommy is not going near to it. I'm just taking from far. Oh, look at the cuteness. Oh, so sorry for you. I wish we could find your owner soon, cutie. Oh, so cutie. What name you wanna give Isa? Maybe we should give it name as Buddy. You like Buddy name? Mommy wanna give it to Buddy. Yep, you got your name. Now your name is Buddy from today. Oh, so cute, lovely. So we gave food to it. We got maybe at night, Isa, we will go out for a walk with it. Right now, mommy has an sunglasses appointment, so we need to go there first. And after that, we will go at night for a walk in community. Isa, it suits you well. Yaya, what do you wanna try?
What are you gonna try?
This one? Oh, cool kids. Oh, we have 1 month after. You guys trying that? Isa, show you. Yaya, see here. Yaya. Whoa, boys, you look cool. You look cool too, boy. And Yaya, you look cool. And your pink glasses are so cute, honey. You look cute too. You wanna try some Harry Potter style ones? That's close to it. Isa, what do you wanna pick? Maybe the Raven style? Harry Potter style. Show me. My Potter? Okay. As mommy promised, we are out for a walk with Buddy, and this dog literally it's taking our day. It's so cute. It's taking our time. We're having fun with it. Hi. Buddy. Yeah. One thing I want to share with you kids is that this dog is so well trained. It never leaves its pad in home. But let me add on one funny thing about it. It's a AC dog. It always want to come inside. It don't want to leave out in patio.
Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.